I just wanted to show you guys a quick highlight and contour video. And for this, I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Highlight and Contour palette. This is the powder version, and this is light. That's what it looks like. And for the brushes that I'm going to be using, it's the Morphe by Jeffree Star brush collection, and these three specifically. This is the JS1 foundation brush, the JS2 powder brush, and the JS3 detail contour. So I'm gonna start by going in with the middle shade. It's a cool, contour shade, which is perfect for me. Go in there, tap off any excess, and apply this to your cheekbones, kind of where you want to create your contour, any kind of shading. And then you want it up. You want to carve out your jawline here. Bring it down along that entire jawline. Go back in and tap. And we'll do the other side. Kind of want to make like the number 3 on the side of your face, on your profile. And then start by blending up. You want it to kind of pull the face. And so you want to take care to make sure your hairline is all blended. And this brush makes it super easy to do that. I go a little bit under here and just make sure over here is good. So now I'll take the smaller JS3 to do my nose. We're gonna be dipping into the same color, and you want to just draw a line down the side of your nose pretty close together, and of course blend out. And I kind of come to a little triangle point here. Oh yeah, and I forgot a little trick. If we go back to the big JS1, same shade, you want to draw a little triangle here. And then blend out. So once your contour's to your liking, we're going to take the JS2 powder. And I'm gonna dip into this, the lightest shade here. It's just this isn't the highlight. It's like, well, it is a highlight, but it's not as shimmery as this one. So we're gonna go in with this, and we're gonna carve out the contour. You can use this yellow shade here if you want to kind of even out your tone if it's a little too bright. So that's what I do here with the JS2. And yeah, forgot to mention, I already have my base on. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Snow, and I'm using the Tarteist Mini Pro palette on my eyes. Okay, so for the actual highlight part, we're going to have to get a better, stickier base for the shine to come through. So 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So for the base, we are going to be using Makeup Revolution's Glow Revolution's Dewy Setting Spray. Give it a good shake, because I didn't. And I have literally solid like bronze glitter on my Fenty robe, which I need to hand wash now. But anyway, give this a good shake and just spray all over. I go hard with it. Okay, so actually bust out the highlight brush for this. It is the JS4 from the Jeffree Star by Morphe brush collection. And we're going to be going in with the shimmer highlight here. And it makes it easy with this dewy setting spray to see exactly where you should put your highlight. So I just go over and accentuate any of the, the gleam on my face with this highlight shade. Also, if you bring it down here, it really adds to that dewiness. So wherever the light hits your visage, highlight to the heavens. And then to bring out that snatch nose contour, I'm gonna brush a little bit here and accentuate the bridge of my nose. And then to add a pop to the lips, glide along your little cupid's bow here and add a touch to your chin. If you'd like, you can highlight here too. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I've already got some shine going on here, so I think we're good. And this is the highlight and contour. Tell me what you guys think. What else would you like to see? I'm an open book. I want to learn with you guys and help you guys learn. So let me know.